Thanks, Kate. Let's try again. There's a difference between what the party does on the campaign trail, how it campaigns, the posters that it puts up. The only interest of the Commission are the identifiers on the ballot paper. For the parties that you've asked about, we can confirm that the face of the party on the ballot paper in respect of MK Party will be that of Mr. Jacob Zuma, because the party has given us a notice that it has changed its leadership structure. Mr. Khumalo is no longer the party leader, Mr. Zuma is the party leader. In respect of the IFP, while the face of their campaign remains Chief Mangosuthu Buthelezi, the leader of the party is Mr. Hlabisa, and for that reason, only the photograph of Mr. Hlabisa will appear on the ballot paper. So the Commission is only interested on the ballot paper, not in managing what the party does as the face of its campaign outside of the ballot paper. The question on the perceptions. The Constitution establishes a election management body for the country, which is the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission Act gives that body a number of obligations and duties. And the standard is that this organization must undertake those duties in a manner that is impartial. In other words, do not take decision on the basis of the person in front of you. Because if that influences your decision making, you are no longer making decisions in an impartial manner. The Electoral Act again places a number of responsibilities on the IEC as it relates to the candidate nomination process. Among those, it says the Commission must only accept people who are candidates that are registered as voters. It again says the persons that appear on list of candidates must be qualified in terms of the Constitution. Nowhere does the Constitution deal with qualification except in Section 47 for the election of the National Assembly and Section 106 for the elections of the provincial legislature. The Commission must ensure that those people are qualified. So that's the basis on which the Commission upheld the objection when an objection was raised that one of the candidates was not qualified in terms of the Constitution. And I will leave it at that because the CEO has dealt with the issues and the reasons for the Commission going to the Constitutional Court.
Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, allow me to bring to a close this press briefing. You've got the statement on your chat groups as well as your emails, but we continue to be available for any issues of clarity on our online platforms.
There was a question about the ANC membership of Dr. Lam, whether she's still a member, whether you know for a fact that she resigned from the party.
Well, we don't know because no one has to disclose their party affiliation. In terms of the Electoral Commission Act, the person who's appointed as a commissioner may not have a high political profile at the point of appointment. And the panel led by the Chief Justice has looked at that to check whether the commissioners are qualified in terms of the legal criteria and as well as the Constitution. Parliament did the same, which is a multi-party forum. They looked at whether the candidates who are eventually appointed commissioners are qualified in terms of the Constitution and the Electoral Commission Act. And eventually the President appointed on the basis of a recommendation of the multi-party National Assembly. So as to whether she remains a member of this or the other party, it's a matter unknown to us. And we shouldn't really know, for as long as they satisfy the constitutional and legal criteria.
Thank you very much, CEO, for the clarity. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, thank you very much. We'll continue engaging on various issues as developments happens. Thank you very much.